How to make a public Google Drive link. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then in here tap on this menu icon. After that, scroll down and tap on this drive option. After that, it will automatically open your account. So in here, how do we make a public Google Drive link? So first, what you need to do is to select the file. After that, tap on these three dots and then tap on the share option. So in here, to make this one public, all we need to do is to go on this general access. Under that, change the settings from restricted to anyone with the link. Once you're done with that, you can also change the rule from viewer, commenter, or editor. But as for me, I'm gonna select viewer. After that, simply tap on this copy link option. Once you have the link, you can now share it to your friends or even to your team members. But you have to keep in mind that since you make a public Google Drive link, anyone with the link will have an access to that file. So that's how easy we can make a public Google Drive link. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.